Hello, this is Kent, and today we're going to show you how to clear a cloudy pool. You will use 1.5 gallons of liquid shock per 10,000 gallons of pool water. For example, 30,000 gallons of pool water will take 4.5 gallons of liquid chlorine. Make sure to not use granular shock, and that's because liquid chlorine has a pH of over 12, and shocking with liquid will raise the pH. Using liquid chlorine will spike chlorine and pH levels, increasing the pH to a reading of over 8. The water then cannot hold the cloud of debris. The water wants to drop everything out of solution, and with the aid of the hydrofloc sends everything to the pool floor, thus purging the cloud. The first step is to increase the water level 2 to 3 inches. We will then acquire a 5-gallon liquid shock and a bottle of liquid flocculant. We will then use the liquid hydrofloc, using 1 quart for every 30,000 gallons. We will add 30 minutes after shocking the pool and do our best to spray across the entire pool surface or as evenly as possible. You will then run your filter for 2 hours and then shut off your pump. 12 hours later, the pool will be clear and all of the sediment will be a dusty powder or film at the bottom of the pool. At this point, set up your vacuum and make sure to vacuum to waste. This way we expel all of the media out of the pool. For any other questions, visit easytestpools.com or stop by any of our stores today. Thanks for watching.